Important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of sin x divided by sin x plus a dx. So for this type of question, we will solve this question by the substitution method. So let us see. Just put t equal to what? X plus a. So find derivative of this dt by dx equal to what? 1 and a is constant, so 0. So we can find here dx equal to what? Dt. Now integration. This is what? Sin x. Here sin x plus a, so x plus a t, so we can write sin t. And here dx, so we can write dx equal to what? That is dt. Right? So here sin x, so we can write x equal to what? T minus a. So we can write this is sin t minus a. Now you see this is sin a minus b. So we have formula sin a into cos b. So this is what? Sin a into cos b, sin t into cos a. Minus cos a into sin b. So this is what? Cos t into sin a. And divided by sin t. So we can write here sin t and here also sin t, and this is what? Dt. Again we will take sin t cancel. So this is what? Integration of cos a dt. Minus here sin is constant, so we can get sin a. And now cos t by tt was cot t. So this is what? Cot t dt. So this is cot t dt. Now you see cos a is also constant. So dt integration is t. So we will get what? T cos a minus. This is integration. This is sin a. And integration of cot t is what? Log sin t. So integration of cot x is what? Log sin x. So log sin t. So this is log and this is what? Sin t. Log sin t, and this is what? Plus c. So now put the value of t. So t x plus a. So we can write x plus a cos a minus sin a, and this is log sin t. So we can write sin t is what? X plus a plus c. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of 1 upon 1 plus 10x dx. So for this type of question, what is the technique? First you convert this 10x into sin x, cos x, and then adding. So here integration of 1 upon 1 plus, this can be written as sin x by cos x. When we take LCM, we will get, and this is dx. So we can get here that is cos x, and here cos x plus sin x or dx. Okay. Now we can arrange them. This is cos x, so multiply by 2 and divide 2. So this is what? 1 by 2. So this is what? 2 cos x. So we can arrange them cos x plus sin x. And again we can write cos x minus sin x. So this sin x cancel, you will get 2 cos x only. So what is the benefit? See. So here cos x plus sin x. So we can write here cos x plus sin x. And here again we can write it cos x plus sin x. And this is what? Dx. So we can write half integration. This is cancel out. So this is what? 1 dx. Again plus this is what? Half. Integration of cos x minus sin x. And this is cos x plus sin x dx. So we know integration of 1 dx is x. So this is what? X by 2. And here half. You know derivative of denominator, that is cos x plus sin x, is what? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. So when derivative of denominator is equal to the numerator, then you can direct apply the technique, that is integration of log of denominator. So direct answer is what? Half log, that is cos x plus sin x plus c. So this is our correct answer. Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of 2x upon 1 plus x squared. So for this type of question, we have two methods. First we are solving by substitution. So see. So this is suppose t equal to what? 1 plus x squared. So we get dt by dx. So 1 is constant, so derivative is 0, and x square derivative what? 2x. So we can write dx equal to what? dt by 2x. So integration, this is 2x and 1 plus square is t. And dx we can write what? dt by 2x. So 2x cancel. Integration of 1 by t dt. So 1 by t integration is what? Log t. So this is log t plus c. And we know t is what? That is 1 plus x square. So log 1 plus x square plus c, right answer. And we are seeing direct here what? That is derivative of denominator is what? 2x, that is numerator. So when derivative of denominator is the derivative of denominator is what? Numerator. Then our answer is what? Log of denominator. So log of 1 plus x square plus c is our correct answer. Most important question of integration. Let us see the question. Find integration of 1 upon x plus x log dx. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique say? So first you arrange this expression. So we can write 1 upon x taking common, that is 1 plus log x dx. Okay. Now t, substitute t equal to what? 1 plus log x. So this is dt by dx is what? Derivative of 1 constant 0, log x is what? 1 by x. So we can write dt equal to what? Dx equal to what? X dt. Now integration of 1, and this is x into 1 plus log x, we have written what? T. And this is dx, so dx equal to what? X dt. So this x and x cancel out. So 1 by integration of 1 by t dt. So integration of 1 by t is what? Log of t. So log of t plus c. We know t is what? 1 plus log x. So we can write log of 1 plus log x plus c is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Find integration of log x whole square by x dx. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? We know derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. So just put t equal to log x. So t equal to what? Log x. So we can find dt by dx. So derivative of log x is 1 by x. So we can write dx equal to what? X dt. So integration of log x is t. So we can write t square. And here x. And dx we can write what? X dt. So this x and x cancel. Now we know integration of t square is what? T to the power 2 plus 1. That is 3 by 3. And plus c. So we can put value of t. T is log x. So we can write log x to the power 3 by 3 plus c. This is our correct answer.